Hey guys, welcome to AIE, the home of animation, game development and filmmaking. I'm going to show you guys around. Welcome to AIE reception, or our front of house. This is where students get to sign in, see what's happening for events. It also holds our student liaisons or admin team, as well as deputy heads of school, compliance, and myself, the events officer. Welcome to our student cafeteria. So students get to come here and have breakfast before they start the classes. They also get to unwind during their breaks. We also house a lot of events in this space because it's really fun. We've got a lot of games on section, just for students to be able to enjoy and feel motivated on a campus. Welcome to level 1. This houses all of our game development students, so game art animation, game design and production, and game programming, as well as our breakout rooms. So here we are on level 2. So this houses our 3D animation and VFX students, mainly our green screen room as well. So as you can see behind me, they are busy at work building their pirate ship set. And this is our final level. We're on level 3. This holds our filmmaking students. As you can see behind me, we use virtual production. The trainers primarily use Unreal Engine 5 to create really cool, realistic backgrounds for the movies. As you can see from all our resources, it is using the resources that we use in the workforce to get you guys not only qualified, but prepared to work in the industry.